everyone! Welcome back to General Chemistry, Episode 2. In this video, we're going to be covering the metric system, one-step and multi-step dimensional analysis problems, and percent error. One of the most fundamental conversions in chemistry relates back to the metric system. The metric system uses a series of prefixes in order to more easily signify the quantity of a substance. So by looking at the prefixes of a measurement, we can easily convert units that have the same base using a famous mnemonic. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. The K stands for kilo, H stands for hecta, D stands for deca, B stands for base, or no prefix. The second D stands for deci, C for centi, and M for milli. There are two things to note here. First, the base doesn't have a prefix. Second, a quick note is that the lowercase d in the mnemonic above signifies deci, while an uppercase D prefix signifies deca. These two are very different. This mnemonic will help us know how many decimal places to move either left or right in order to convert between two metric units. For example, say we want to convert 10 deciliters into milliliters. We simply circle where we are starting in the series. In this case, this will be at the deci mark. We also box where we want to get to, or the milli mark in this case. Then we just count how many steps and the direction that we're moving in to get from where we started to where we want to go. So in this case, we would have moved 2 places to the right. This tells us that the decimal place at the end of 10 will move 2 places and to the right, which will give us 1,000. Many chemistry courses will extend this series to include a prefix called mega, which is 3 places to the left of kilo. Mega will be signified with a capital M when it's used as a prefix, so that it's not confused with milli. So basically, the prefixes that have the same letter, when it's capitalized, it's actually a bigger unit than when it's lowercase. They may even include micro, nano, and pico. Micro is 3 to the right of milli, nano is 3 steps to the right of micro, and finally, pico is 3 to the right of nano. So let's take another example. Say we want to convert 1.45 grams to megagrams, which is capital MG. We're going to use the same method. First, we circle where we want to start. In this case, since grams doesn't have a prefix, this will be the base. We will box where we want to go, which is mega. We then count how many steps it takes us to get from the base to mega and the direction. In this case, it took us 6 movements to the left to get from the base to mega. Moving the decimal place 6 to the left gives us 0.000000145 megagrams. Another important note in chemistry is to always preserve the same number of sig figs in the converted measurement as in the original measurement. So in our case, 1.45 and 0.000000145 have 3 sig figs. If you'd like a refresher on sig figs, feel free to check out our video in episode 1.1 of the General Chemistry playlist. Thank you for watching, and we will see you at our next episode for dimensional analysis.